Tail and Bend, and we're at a track day. I haven't ridden here in a while, so a bit rusty. Got the boys in the garage here, Eric and Owen there.
What's going on, YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yo, Eric.
That's the fast group. I go usually in the second fast group, so not the super stupid crazy fast group because my bike's a bit old, but haven't been out here since September last year anyway, so wouldn't mind getting out and just circulating and seeing how I feel. But yeah, jump in the garage. Meanwhile, there's one of these here. Anyway, yeah, I've got the new RS Genius 2 gloves from Ixon here, and if you can hear me, this is my little trick to soften them up in the sun. Get a bit of heat into them. I've been wearing them a bit around the pits. Might go out in the first session in my old gloves, but yeah, looking forward to putting the new ones on. So get the old beast all fired up. Got the tyre pressures right, it's got oil in it, it's got fuel in it, it's got water in it. Should be right. Here to have fun. shit falling apart.
Pretty good.
Well, speaking
Apart
of
from
which,
the- apart from the levers.
hang on, Owen pointed something out on my bike. This is what called 2.5 minutes of preparation and throwing some tyres on your bike and checking it's got fuel in it. Felt a bit weird in the last session, and not weird, like my foot kind of slipped off the peg, and I was like, oh, yeah, she's alright. Hello. Didn't fall off though. Didn't fall off, but as the sun goes down over here, we'll reflect on the day. No, we'll just talk about what happened, and yeah, good day out. Got about 5 sessions. Yeah, 5 sessions in. Mucked around a little bit with tyre pressures, and still, I think I just tend to get on the gas hard in the rights. I just like the right-handers. It's a tricky track. I mean, there's 14 right-hand bends and 4 left, so yeah. But old Frank the Tank here is looking a bit worse for wear in the old paint department, but that's coming very soon. Very soon. It runs out of rego in about 2 weeks, so we'll get some stuff happening on that. So keep your eyes peeled. And if you haven't been to this place before, I say this is Aussie possible. Get your ass down to the Bend. It is a freaking awesome track. Wears you out because it's almost 5k's, but yeah. Anyhow, gonna get back in the car, go home, and veg out on the couch.